Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to this channel, Natural Sciences Grade 8 and 9, with me, Richard, here. Yeah, today we're looking at this question, Grade 9 question, coming from cells and batteries. The statement says that cells or batteries supply energy needed for electrons to move in electrical circuit. Okay? The cells or batteries consist of chemicals which react to produce potential energy which cause electrons to move. Okay, this is the setup. Okay, in short, this is what you have to know. We are having chemicals in this setup combined to form the cell. This is a simple cell. And the first question says, name the type of energy contained in the cell above. So what type of energy is contained in this setup? The energy is called chemical energy. Yeah, then we come to this one. It says that name the term used to describe the copper and the zinc metals in the setup above. So we are having a copper here. We are seeing it here. And we are seeing zinc here. These are metals placed in the solution. So what term is used to describe these metals, the zinc and copper? We call them electrodes. Yeah, then we come to this one. It says that name the term used to describe the solutions, zinc sulfate and copper sulfate in the setup above. So this is what we are having. This is a solution, which is zinc sulfate. And here is another solution, which is copper sulfate. What is the common term which refers to this solution? We call them electrolytes. Yeah, so comes this one. It says that name the energy change which takes place when the cell above is connected to a closed circuit. Here the implication is that what energy change takes place when the cell is operating. Okay? Yes, what's the change? Here you have to know that inside the cell what we have is chemical energy or chemical potential energy. So when you're connected to the circuit, what happens? The chemical potential energy is converted now to electricity. Electricity is electrical energy. So the energy changes from chemical potential energy to electrical energy. Yeah, now we come to this one. It says that state what will happen to the voltmeter V. Yeah, this is the V, which is the voltmeter. When the cell is connected to a closed circuit. Closed circuit means when the cell is delivering potential energy. What will happen? What will happen is that the voltmeter will give a reading. It will indicate a reading. Yeah, and then we come to this one. It says that what is the difference between a cell and a battery? Okay, I need to tell you that there is a very close relationship between these two. Actually, some people interchange them. They call a battery a cell and the cell a battery. But what we call a cell is a single unit. Like this setup is one cell. And what we call a battery is an assembly of cells, which can be arranged in parallel or in series. So a battery consists of more than one cell. while a cell is just a single unit. Yes, that is it. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is Natural Sciences Grade 8 and 9. We urge you to subscribe to it, to like, to share, to comment. Yeah, we believe you will not regret. This channel is going to be very supportive to those learners who are preparing to come to further studies or to go to FET level for further science studies. With that, I would like to say thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.